Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Bolt application on your Android phone. So make sure you watch the video until the end and follow through the instructions. First of all, to get started, open your Google Play Store. Once you open it up, go to the search box at the top and then type in Bolt. Once you request a search for it, go ahead and tap open the Bolt Request a Ride application from Bolt Technology. Make sure that the app icon looks like this and then tap on Install to start downloading Bolt on your Android phone. Wait for a couple of minutes. Once the application is downloaded, you can simply launch it open and get started with it. Simply tap on the Open button to launch Open Bolt application on your Android phone. So that was how you can easily download and install Bolt application on Android in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.